So let us now make absolutely sure about the identification of this woman. This woman described in the Bible as Babylon. Now, verse 9 of Revelation 17 gives us the first clue. And here is the mind which has wisdom. The 7 heads are 7 mountains on which the woman sits. Now, which city was built on 7 hills? Well, it's documented by Rome itself. Documented Roman Catholic sources states it's within the city of Rome, called the City on 7 Hills, that the entire area of Vatican State proper is now confined. And you can read that in the Catholic Encyclopedia, page 529. Now, what are these 7 hills of Rome? Rome is known to be built upon 7 hills. Rome was said to have been founded when Romulus and Remus, twin sons of Mars, ended up at the foot of the hill. And then they name the different hills, the 7 hills. That's our first clue. Now, our second clue we find in verse 9. And I saw the woman drunken with the blood of the saints and with the blood of the martyrs of Jesus. Now, history tells us that there was only one power on earth that waged war against God's children. Millions of Christians lost their lives in the Inquisitions. Well, as a matter of fact, Pope John Paul II admitted it in public that it was the case, and Pope Francis asked the Waldensians to forgive them. And the woman was arrayed in purple and scarlet color. Now, anyone visiting the Vatican today will immediately recognize these 2 dominant colors in the Vatican: purple and scarlet. And then Revelation 17 states, and the woman was arrayed in purple and scarlet color and decked with gold and precious stones and pearls. In contrast to the woman in white standing there without any decorations, just the bright light shining out of her, this woman is decked with gold and decoration. It's actually striking to see the amount of gold and jewels in the Roman Church today. The actual fact that the Vatican probably has the most physical gold in the world today.